How to set up auto replies in focus mode on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Focus. Focus lets you customize your devices and silence calls and notifications. As you can see, your phone is now in Do Not Disturb mode. From the options, tap on Driving. Then, tap on Auto Reply as shown. Here, select All Contacts. This means that your contacts will receive an auto reply when this focus is turned on. They may choose to notify you anyway by sending urgent as an additional message. You can also edit and change the auto reply message below. After that, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center. Here, tap on the focus button as shown. From the focus options, tap on Driving to turn it on. Following these steps, you can easily set up auto replies in focus mode on iPhone.